welcome back to my channel. Starting the day with some really wholesome breakfast, vermicelli upma with lots of vegetables, and I'm having guacamole that I made with avocado. Avocado is in season, and boiled egg with coffee. And Suraj fixed himself with a roti taco, and it was yummy to be honest. Of course, with some coffee and guacamole. Since it's a work day, it's a Friday, so I had to sit and log in. It's 9:30 and I started my work along with having some breakfast and coffee. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now since it's Valentine's Day, I thought I'll just make something special, and it's very easy. 1 minute mug cake. I make it all the time and Suraj loves it. I love it to be honest, and yeah, I'm making this for both of us. Two tablespoons. Final result. Now for dinner, I thought I'll just prepare green chicken curry. It's super easy, super simple. So, guys, that's all that we did on Valentine's Day. Honestly, it was a work day, so couldn't do much, but we just cooked something really nice and simple, home cooked food, and enjoyed. I know this video was all about food. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if you have not. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.